And now we are going to practice working with the adjustment layers. We go to folder layers, exercise 5, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with this image of the sky, this image of the grass and trees, and this image of the parrot. We're going to combine them together just like this, but we're gonna apply modification or an effect to each of these three images. We're gonna make the grass and trees purple just like this. We're gonna change the color. We're gonna make the sky black and white just like this, and we're gonna change the colors of the parrot. We're not gonna change the colors, but we're gonna make them more bright and make the parrot more shiny just like this. Okay, we close the image, we go to Photoshop, File, Open, and we start by opening the sky image just like this. Next thing we need to do, place embedded, bring the second element just like this, make it bigger, and the third element, which is the parrot file number 3, make it small. Okay, now it's in the center, and click on confirm. Now we have the 3 elements. Now with the help of the adjustment layer, we're gonna try to apply the effect desired. We're gonna start by turning the sky from blue to black and white. How do we do that? We go to adjustment layer, just right here, we click and we choose black and white. And now the entire image is black and white, not just the sky, and that's not what we want. We want to apply the adjustment layer just to the sky. How do we do that? We change the order of the adjustment layer, we put it just right here, and we're gonna do something else. We're gonna press Alt, and put the cursor between the 2 layers until you see this icon. The cursor changes and it becomes like a square and an arrow. Once you have this cursor, you click once, and now the adjustment layer is only applied to the layer beneath it. We move to the second element, which is the grass and the trees. Now we need to change the colors of this file right here. How do we do that? We go to adjustment layer and we click on hue and saturation just like this. Now we start changing the hue until we reach the purple color just like this. I think it's perfect. And we click on this, and now we have a purple grass and trees. We do the same thing. We press Alt, we put the cursor just right here, and we click. Now it's only applied to this layer. Third thing we need to do, the third adjustment layer, is vibrance. Now we're gonna try to make the colors of the parrot more bright, so we use vibrance. We change the position of the vibrance, we put it on top just like this, and double click, we increase it to the max just like this, and we can increase the saturation a little bit. Now we can see the colors are much brighter, but the problem that this adjustment layer is applied to all the layers beneath it. What we only need it to be applied to this parrot, so we do the same thing. We click on Alt and we click. Now it's only applied to the parrot. Each adjustment layer is applied to the layer beneath it. Now you go do the exercise and don't forget to save.